We begin with that breaking news. The Ohio House and Senate have just approved what pro-choice supporters say is one of the strictest abortion bills in the country. It now heads to Governor DeWine's desk to be signed. Senate Bill 23 seeks to ban abortions in Ohio once a fetal heartbeat is detected.
Lawmakers have passed similar bills in the past, but they've been vetoed by former Governor John Kasich. But now with Kasich no longer standing in the way, it looks like there is little to stop this latest effort from becoming law. Today, pro-choice activists rallied on the steps of the State House to take one last stand against the heartbeat bill. Some critics of the bill say laws like this don't stop abortions. It just moves them out of clinics and into more dangerous places.
What has happened is that abortion rates are about the same, but maternal mortality rates go up. So I think this law is going to worsen our maternal mortality rates. I think women are going to die.
News 5's Olivia Fecto has more tonight on how this bill could change Ohio's current law.
If the bill is signed into law by the governor, it will affect people all across the state, including right here in Northeast Ohio. Right now, abortions are legal in Ohio until about 20 weeks, the point at which a fetus is generally considered viable. The bill, now called the Human Rights and Heartbeat Protection Act, seeks to change that to about 6 weeks into a pregnancy when a heartbeat can be detected. In addition to banning abortions after the detection of a fetal heartbeat, the bill would make it a 5th-degree felony for doctors to perform abortions after that point unless there's a medical emergency that risks the life of the woman. Now that both the Senate and House have passed the bill, it will head to Governor Mike DeWine, who's indicated in the past that he would sign it. The former Governor John Kasich declined to do so. We spoke to organizations on both sides of this issue yesterday ahead of today's vote. You'll hear first from the chairman of the board at Ohio Right to Life, which supports the bill, and then from a spokesperson for NARAL Pro-Choice Ohio, which is against it.
The logic of the bill, I think, is very straightforward. It tells us what we all know intuitively, that the baby is a person, is alive, and a heartbeat certainly means life.
Their reproductive decisions will be severely limited, and those decisions won't be based on their own family values or their morals or what their physician feels is best for them. It will be limited to what the government feels is best for them.
Both sides say if this bill is signed into law by the governor, it's likely that it'll end up playing out in the court system and possibly make its way to the U.S. Supreme Court. Coming up at 6, we'll hear from 2 women who have had abortions and are now on different sides of this issue. Olivia Fecto, News 5.